Hey YouTube, back with another video. This video is a continuation of last week's video where I showed you how to make this hydrogen generator. So there's a few things I want to cover. The torch doesn't work because there's not enough hydrogen, or the tubes are too long, or I also read some stuff that the higher the voltage the better. And this is 12 volts DC. You want it to be DC. 24 would work better, I guess. Or, yeah. Higher's better. It works, but it doesn't work well enough to get hydrogen out of here. Maybe if you left it on for like an hour, it would work better. But right now, it's not working too well. I'm going to show you how it works, and then I'll talk about it some more. So when I plug it in, you can see bubbles going off of here. That's the hydrogen going up. And yeah, so it's working. But the plates are very small, so in the future I'd like to make a video about making a bigger one that actually could produce a flame. And I did some reading on the internet to make the flashback thing that I was talking about last week, where you put all the mesh in the torch and everything. You actually should just buy a regular torch head. So I don't recommend doing this, or you can try it, but do it at your own risk. And instead of tap water, you want to use distilled filtered water, because tap water has a lot of impurities in it. And yeah, and also like I said, bigger plates. And if you were willing to, you wanted to do this, and you wanted to buy potassium hydroxide, that is better than baking soda. But baking soda is all I had. I didn't have any potassium hydroxide. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.